talk about planks. So, the most basic form of a plank is right here. You're going to brace before you go. You're on your elbows, and your back is a straight line. First, you're going to want to try to hold this for about 30 seconds. And when you can do that pretty easily, then we'll upgrade it to about 45 seconds. And from there, we'll hold it for about a minute. Now, you can also do different variations of planks. This one is a shoulder tap plank. You'll be up on your hands and you will just tap each shoulder, making sure that you're braced the entire time. One way to make it easier is to widen your legs just a little bit. Another variation of plank is to drop down onto your side. This is going to focus on one side of your body versus the entire core. Now, what you'll do is be up on your elbow, and a way to make this more difficult is to do a little twist. You're going to send that arm through, little twist at the bottom, and then extend all the way back up. Obviously, you would want to do this on both sides.